Hello all. So the subject matter that I chose for my lesson plan was conversion of measurements. I would say that I've always been really good at math, but this is something that has always been really tricky for me to understand, especially when the problems get more complex, like using conversion proportions, and I get tricked up on the conversion rules, like knowing if the unit measures are bigger or smaller than each other, like knowing that millimeters are smaller than centimeters, and also knowing whether to divide or multiply. This subject can relate to my students' daily lives in the following examples, such as how many gallons of gas it takes to go a certain amount of miles, converting hours to days, knowing how many liters are in a gallon, and it could even relate to baking and cooking. So the technology that I chose to enhance my lesson was SplashLearn. Um, on SplashLearn, it ranges from pre-K to fifth grade. So there's multiple conversion games. So if the students finish one game, they can move on to another. And the examples of games are conversion tables and converting metric units of length. So the one that I liked the most was convert metric units to length. Um, Students would do this after they were already taught the conversion rules, so it would give them more practice and they would become more proficient and confident, and it would build a strong foundation for the skill. Students can use this in class or at home. So yeah, this is the concepts I chose. Bye.